Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about this error. As you can see on the background, how to fix Easy Anti-Cheat is not installed properly, so your launch is an error. This is specifically for Fortnite. So the first thing I want you to do right now is check your minimum requirements. So I'm going to type in here Fortnite. That would be Fortnite minimum requirements. And basically for this one, as you can see, these are the minimum requirements for Fortnite and how to check if your PC aligns with them. Go to the search bar and type in here dxdiag. This is a command that you can check if you have the most and updated versions and make sure you are aligned with the minimum requirements. In here you can find the memory, which is going to be the RAM, CPU is going to be the processor, and video card would be the GPU on this one. Now once you've done checking if your minimum requirements meets the minimum requirements of Fortnite, next thing you're going to do is go focus on Epic Launcher. As you can see, my Fortnite is going to be under maintenance. As of now, it's not installed. So the first thing I can do right now is click on right click and look for the one that says verification or verify options. Should be looking like this, alright? That would be open file installation and then verify them. Next up, once you click on that one, look for the one that says easy anti-cheat folder. Because if you click on this one, the open file location, you're going to go straightly on this option for easy anti-cheat. And next up, look for this one that says easy anti-cheat with the logo with the .exe and run this one as an administrator by simply click on right click and then run as administrator. It's going to be easy as that. And that should fix your problem. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.